Great. So you got a yes from the investor? Now is the time where you draft and sign the term sheet with them. So before you sign that term sheet, go ahead and go and shop around with other investors. Because once you have signed that term sheet, you cannot look for any other investors. When you have other opportunities lying around, you will have more choices and more options because you may need to turn down this term sheet. So with that in mind, you could go ahead and look for other investors still. It's always better that you draft the term sheet rather than them. If they're a seasonal investor or an institutional investor like a VC, most of the time they will have a term sheet template that they will give you. If no, you should draft the term sheet. There are a lot of templates available. You can always use one of them. And due to that, you should also start looking for a lawyer. So it's the lawyer's job to draft the term sheet. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you may want to study more about the term sheet and find out what is the best term sheet that you should sign. Term sheet is a non-binding agreement, which means that the investor could still say no to you. So stay calm and remember, they could still reject you after they sign the term sheet. Term sheet is the precursor to the due diligence, which means that if the investor is unsatisfied with the due diligence, they can still not invest in you. Remember that. It is also a non-binding agreement, so whatever that has been signed on the term sheet can be voided